Welcome, in front of me is a myPhone Iron 3, and today I'll show you how to put the device into safe mode. And to get started, hold the power key. When you see the boot options, hold power off. After a second or so, it will bring up this window, reboot to safe mode. Confirm it by tapping on OK. And let's wait for the device to boot back up into Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. Let me simply put the pin for my SIM card and bring up the brightness. There we go. And you can see that in safe mode you have this message right here, safe mode, which will be always visible on the display, indicating that, well, you are in the desired mode. And in this mode also the core apps are working, things like phone, messages, stuff like that. Other apps will be disabled by default, as you can see by, well, even the clock not really working here on the as a widget. So that is how you would boot it, and to leave it you would simply hold the power key and select restart, which will go back to normal mode. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.